Is it on?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Megan Fabian. I'm making a documentary about my lunch. I may have food in my braces because I just had Oreo quick stickers. Don't, Courtney. That's Courtney. She's being rude right now. That's about his bag, which I don't really care about. This is my lunch right now. So I finished my Oreo quick stickers. Amanda, please don't eat my crispers or I'll beat you. Okay, so this is please, I'm making a documentary, guys. Okay, this is a soft snack cakes, Oreo quick stickers. Fine. And then, I gave you a pad when you needed one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then this is my dipped and chewy caramel granola bar. I haven't eaten that one yet. And this is my helicopter heather cheese string. See? And these are my ranch crispers. I don't really like ranch, but I have to because that's the only kind my daddy buys. And this is my grape juice from Sunripe. It's 100% juice, no sugar added. And it's 200 milliliters. And then I have my peaches from Dole. And then I also have this plastic spoon, which I eat my peaches with. Yeah. So, what else is there to talk about? Well, I'll introduce you to the people in my class while I eat with during lunch. Okay, this is Courtney. What's your last name? This is Courtney McDougal eating a wiener. This is Aspen Trotray putting on some pants. I call her A-Trot sometimes. And then Megan Sean. This is Megan Sean. Say hi. Mackenzie. This is Mackenzie Piercy. Jordan. This is Jordan T. Ray eating her apple. And let's go to see other people. Okay, Chance, say hi. This is Chance Hooper on the computer. That's what he's playing. I don't really care. Trent, say hi. This is Trent. And that's, what's his name? Kane. And then, yeah, we're skipping. That's our smart board. It's not smart, it's done. Okay, here's Cody Millhouse. Say hi, Cody.
That's a waste of money.
Okay, that's Amanda Griffith.
Eating Cody Millhouse checkers.
Eating Cody. That's Sydney Thornton on camera. This is Sarah. Say hi, Sarah. Let's do Janvier. She helped me turn this onto a camera so I can make a documentary. Courtney stole my lunch! Teacher, that's what was.
That was different.
Okay. So, that was my lunch. And I'll be back for the documentary of Lunch 2 by Megan Fabian.
Your boobs are like